How to download YouTube videos. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and search YouTube Studio. Simply log into YouTube Studio and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On left side, you will find Creations. You will find all your videos. In here, you'll find your videos. You can save your own videos from here, but if you want to save other people's videos, simply open YouTube, click on the video, then you'll find download option at the bottom. You'll find two methods, medium or low. To download high, you need premium of YouTube. Simply click on medium or low and then press on download. You're good to go. This is how to download YouTube videos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.